everybody water. It was one tank of water.
So easy for one. Where them then? Where them do? No.
Yeah. If it's
What they saying? Yes, half a tank, yeah.
Where them?
As when,
You
yeah.
don't know, yeah. Them have too much power that the
And
community.
that's I mean, as when Mr. Tiger said, everybody I said them afraid of him, and yet still nobody not. I know them do what them to do.
Yeah, because
Everybody, them afraid of him, them this, them that. Is a youth where if you see him, most people when them see him, them want him. Say, look, I mean, why you on the road there. That is the most then we say to him. The only thing that we say, hey boy, enough for day, I know. And nothing more.
So after
Nobody
what
not
age
try
group?
to rush him now, nothing.
But what age group him is? Like, what age group is that same age? Or old
They
him
say
is?
To be
30.
honest, I don't know, but with him old.
They saying 30.
Oh, okay.
They say a 30-year-old him be.
let me tell you something, guys. You see,
Sorry, Tiger. Go on, Tiger.
I'll tell you no. I'm gonna be really honest with you. No. You see, I want to see me on live from the other day. I know nothing to me, no. I get so overwhelming to just get up every day and talk about one child will get hurt. It get to me. It get to me. May I tell you, it get to me so much. We have Jaden. We have the little girl from Portland. We have this baby. We have a guy in America. It's get to me. It's like the people might try to wipe out the whole young generation. It's been a no, and the police them have for them part to play, or they don't think them play them part, because I am telling you right now, if no policeman now go so one taxi driver broke one light 4 times and they not get a ticket.
True.
No
Police officer will not see a man speed past them 4
Tiger.
times.
And not even that Tiger, the people them in the community I play with him and I give him some little pet up check and I come tell him say, come for around here so I walk around here so I something. Take this a big wood and broke in 2 hands and in 2 foot. I saw I deal with them, the people, they broke him up with one piece of 2 before you can see him back. You know, come back out for days. You know, see him back in another year if you tell him to move.
Because when you get released, when you get released, him come pretend like him
the
could
people
walk.
in that community disappoint me so much because I uno in the community making him feel so free, like him is okay for him to walk up and down and to do everything that he has done.
It's no lie.
I say yesterday, I could have seen me picking and the baby me a kill. I could leave the baby on the breast of
Unalive.
Unalive.
You see, the thing is this, guys, it's troubling. It is so troubling. It is so troubling, and it gets so overwhelming. It gets so overwhelming because I don't know, a 10-year-old is a baby. For me, you have to be 25 and over before you can start things straight. And a big grown ass man like that, what you are gonna do with a little 10-year-old baby like that? The whole family, the whole root, the whole grass over them yard to dig up and throw to see. Everything over for them yard to dig up and throw to see. And let me tell you something, the shopkeeper, the taxi driver and the grandmother, me would like the whole of them get 15 years apiece in a prison. I mean, I tell you the honest truth.
Let me ask you one next question. You see the brother, what you say was the first one that molested the brother that left the area, right?
Yeah.
Was that brother in the area the same day?
You could, as I stated, I'm not in the community, but he's living there. Has been a no.
So let me ask you one. So the brother, all right, wait. The brother that is living there now, is he older than this brother?
Yeah, he's the biggest one.
So him are the head one. So him teach him what to do.
That me tell us say him start and him do it to them first.
So wait. Where the daddy? So him do it to the daddy too.
Me feel that daddy do.
Every time and him. Then I must you then.
But what me I say, I know this one alone would have be rapist. The one to the bigger one will start him, I same thing too. It might same thing to you know. I him start, you know.
And that's why when she asked the question, me said me no feel safe. Me still not feel safe because there's still a lot of fella in the community said, but none of them no barefaced. The least them we do, I give the picking of them, then we bribe them.
No man. That
So
was
when they
What
talk
the
about
community?
the
What the community name? What the community name? Unforgettable.
Taya.
Taya. Then don't for name over there. Taya. They for name over there the royal community, royal family.
Enough
And the
other
people them sit down.
enough
The people
other
them
them
sit down
in there.
and back up with pain nastiness in the community. That's why you can start from the big one, going right down to the last one, and they sit down with you and look over the house and they quite fine for them.
Miss Lava,
Yeah,
me
because I was
boy.
living in St. Elizabeth, and from me moved from St. Elizabeth from me 12 and go to Chilani. Try me hear that the story say them are grapists. So me not understand them comfortable with them in there, but the only thing is a picnic. I mean, that's the only way me feel away. If I did that one big smarty, trust me wouldn't even feel like how me
I
feel
with my
right now.
general.
But the only fact
whole
I'm
community
condemned.
condemned. Sorry.
Dali, me
Man, I say no
one
tiger.
little boy.
We got a panel.
My son, a 6-year-old, the other day come to me and say, Mommy, why me can't go to nobody yard? Me said, oh, my teacher said, why I can't go to nobody? Me said, tell the teacher, I said, me don't know who are the yard. When me not did the ID people I'm in charge, me don't know who are rapists, me don't know who are convict killer, me don't know who have no the thief, I don't know. Right, fine, yes, so top of your granny yard, that's all you go.
Me don't know how much
Even my
people
mother,
up here.
me
Me
not
don't know
tell
how
my
much
daughter
people.
go.
Me don't know how much people up here live America, but when me I grew under Jamaica, right? When me migrate and come here, things did hard for me when I have my daughter. I'm not telling no lie. Me used to say, I could have sent my daughter to go to my grandmother's so me then Jamaica, whatever. I'm telling no, me not telling no lie. Me just give up a Jamaica, just develop a Jamaica. Me say, me afraid. Me say, listen to me. Me I tough it out with my pitney, yes. So, cause sometimes when you used to send a pitney and you can get a little ease and yes, then got cool and stuff. But nowadays, me not know Jamaica. I'm a country. I'm a love it too. But some Lego demon Lego down them. I'm sorry for say, but
Demon no lega ya. No demon no lega ya. No demon no lega Jamaica. Me a born Jamaican straight Jamaica. Me never take a plane yet. Me nah run with me sweet Jamaica. The dirty people them live in a Jamaica. Me Jamaica come down. I can't go to Jamaica. Them are no demons. Are the dirty people them stop blaming upon demons. I don't know.
You see now situation like that now it happen. I blame the people them in the community and I blame the family. You can't have a nice little girl like that. And the father, what the father come talk say, him a one big waste man. You feel like say me can know say me can go to boy, I go tell boy about remember me and my little daughter around this and pray. Me not understand. So what the police them for? I mean like what the rest of man them in the community where responsive man, the respectable citizens them. Yeah, me asking a man, Jamaica on if you straighten up on yourself, you know, it's a village grow youth, you know. And that enough for a member again, you know. Can't remember this, you know. Enough for them people here. If you see one little girl come out in a one little something in the morning and I'm my bridging daughter and I go look upon the little girl and say, listen to me now, Tiana. Why you come outside? Them stuff that you don't wear them stuff they outside out here, you know. You wear those skins in your house, you know, you don't come out here dressing like that. When you're coming on the road, you're supposed to dress properly. She go down at the yard, go tell her auntie. You know where auntie come up here, me no want nobody talk to me niece. Me just say big ol' lead that girl, go away. And your little niece come out here looking like that and our cast man feel look on her. Or you can make your little pitney come out of the house looking like that. That is something appropriate if you come on the road. And the people, the family them. These mothers and if you grow kids. You see me when I change up the thing, kids will be always be kids. And when I let go the picnic them too much and I put them in some big people error and I look at them as big people them and then yo hear me no man straight anything man can I go always a ball, you know, we cannot change this now coming up and the community them they not change up the thing, you know. You understand? So I go always a ball, you know. You understand? And I go always a ball. Parents to be parents. Discipline the kids them. Make the kids them know themselves too. Some of the time the Lego on the picnic them too much too. You understand me? I say look on a nice little girl like that now. That nice little baby. They have to